And staying on football, coach of MeadForest FC, Lejitsu Sims, says while he's pleased with his team's opening win in the inaugural Popeyes Challenge Cup, he's not happy with the performance. MeadForest defeated Progressive FC 2-1 at the Belgian Oval on Tuesday. Fibiki Ferguson in the 17th and Jeffrey Robinson in minute 73 scored for MeadForest. Tavone Miller fired home Progressive's consolation in the 74th minute.
We didn't perform to the standard that we know we can perform. We get a lot of chances that we didn't put away. But nevertheless, a win is a win. You know, we give thanks for the win. You know, we raise our hats to the players. We hope them look into this and come back to the training ground and make us put in some work so we can move forward.
We came to the game disappointed. Would have been dropped away from the Tier 2 competition on the last match day. So most of the players them came today with their head down. We lose some of senior players because of that. So today we bring in some under 20 players to join the team. However, the momentum for today we never get it going. And you see it cost us the game.
In other matches, Reno FC defeated St. Bess United 3-0. Steths Elite progressed 5-3 on the penalties after a 3-all full-time scoreline. And Falmouth United beat Holland PYC 3-1 on penalties after a 0-all regulation scoreline.